So you want to know all the energy updates of your person, of yours, even you are yourself in your body. You want to know the energy update, you want to know the future, so you go for tarot readings, okay, on YouTube, or you go for spending the money on tarot, okay, and you go to tarot readers. Well, is it good enough? Is it worth it? Well, according to me, um, see, I will explain you guys. But first of all, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Okay, it's gonna be interesting as no heaven. Okay, so what is this tarot reading? First of all, guys, tarot reading is nothing more than the present, this second energy update, whether it can be of yours or any other persons you want, you want to know about, okay. It's nothing else. See, you go for tarot readings, like whether that person misses you or not, whether that person loves you or not, okay. What happens, guys, is if they say you need to move on, okay, suppose I'm giving you example, at very present you are listening to one YouTube channel where they are saying that, of tarot obviously, your person is not going to come back, they have moved on, you need to move on, and another, now you do not like this video, you will go for another video, okay, whether they are missing you or love you, okay. And they say that, okay, they love you, you need to wait for them, okay. What it exactly means, it is true. First of all, the energy is true, but why there are a lot of contradiction in both videos? Because, guys, there are energies and thoughts, and we have 60,000 thoughts, and they keep on changing, keep on changing, keep on changing, okay. 1 second, 1 moment we are thinking, somebody else is thinking somebody else, another second they can go for another contradicting thought. This is why something else is coming. So tarots are real, but they cannot give you your future, only you can give your future, okay. So I have come up with one energy update for you all who actually have planned to go for paid tarot reading, okay. So you can, I have actually come up with Chit Jar energy update. It can help you in your manifestation energy update also, okay. What happens, guys, is even the tarot reader is genuine, okay. What they exactly say is according to your present energy, like this moment your partner is feeling like that, okay. So according to that they will say that, okay, you have future together. Another moment they are confused, so the tarot reader will say that, no, you need to move on, okay. So yes, it goes with, if you are watching the tarot reading for your jobs also, right now in which energy you are, it is actually writing your future, okay. So yes, it is a parallel to tarot reading. You can have your own energy update by writing. I mean, what is tarot reading, guys? It is just your energy, or your person's, or your manifestation is where that energy, okay. So you can make it on your own, okay, and that's free, okay. I have made a sample jar sheet, okay. You can write a heaven lot of, I will say, good things in that, and you can choose from that sheet, and you can find out the energy update. The universe is going to make you choose the sheet in which you are exactly in the energy. What did I say? Yes, whatever your energy is, you are actually going to choose the sheet. Can you imagine? This is what happens in your tarot too. So let's start it. Let's see, I choose one sheet, okay. I have made some sample sheets. You can make a full box of sheets, okay. I chose one. need to work on my negative emotions. Oh my god, I will, because I am angry on someone. This is actually right about me. Okay, so I need to work on my emotion, negative emotion. Okay, so I need to be positive. This is my energy. This is true that I was angry on someone. Okay, let's say I will choose another one. Let go of fear of love. Oh my god, this is so relatable with the chick. I was actually thinking about this, that I need to, be more focused on the career, because I am actually kind of generating trust issue, and I have to work on that. All the situations happen with me also. This is why I share with you what I do. Okay, so yes, this was a great thing. Earlier it was coming that angels are surrounding me. Okay, so these three chits I have come up with, and I am actually going to work upon. Yes, so you have to write your own thing. Okay, I will share all the chits what I have written for myself. It is a sample one. Okay, so one is, I am giving you guys example. You can write your own thing, okay, according to your subconscious mind, according to what you want to choose, according to you want to read. It should be like, in some chits you can write, like, you can work on the angels are guiding. I will give you example. In this sheet I have written, you will meet everyone of your frequency. Be positive. Okay, I am meeting you all. I am very positive now. Now I am working on my negative emotion. I was actually negative in morning, and it was a love matter. Second sheet, you will win in every area today. Okay, this is written by me, so you can write also. Yes, I was actually kind of upset about what will happen in my love life, but I know, and we all know, guys who is watching this, that we are actually our frequency, what it actually said, and we gonna attract the same thing. So we need to work upon the frequencies. I am actually going to make another video on how I actually convert my negative emotions into positive. Okay, now third, your energy will be positive today. Okay, these are the chits I have written. What you have to do, guys, you have to make these chits, put it in the jar, and you have to, every morning when you wake up, you have to choose one thing. Okay, and I am giving you again the example of what all you can write. You can write on your own also, according to your subconscious mind and situation and environment. Okay, another chit, you have successfully manifested your vision. Stay positive. Need to work on negative emotion. It's raining heavily. Take actions carefully. Stay consistent with your visions. Are you listening to it very carefully? You can write this too and put it in your jar, and you can choose every morning this thing. You will meet angels in any form. Just observe. Maybe you can have some angel messages when I am reading this. Okay, guys, so just listen to it, because anywhere you are listening any message, it's an angel message also, so it can be related to your manifestations also. I am sorry for the background noise if it is disturbing you. I am at my home. Let go of fear of relationship or love. What it exactly came for me. Be patient today. Take actions in anything today. Okay, you have to write things like this also. Okay, observe the sign you are getting in people and place today. Okay, maybe it can be sign for you today from this chit. Be cautious of evil eyes and narcissists. Okay, narcissists are the one who will actually blame you, according to me, for their stupid things, their wrong things. So be cautious of those evil things, okay? Evil eyes also who are jealous of you, okay? So yes, so you have to make these kind of chits and put it in the jar, and every morning when you wake up, you can actually, you know, choose one chit to get your energy update, okay? And be ready and do right all the things which comes in your mind. I will say, like, if you have this in mind that I should write it, work on yourself, like I have written, so you need to write that also, okay? Be cautious, so you need to write also. What happens, guys, with that is you will work, take actions to stay positive, okay? Okay, my advice will be, write everything positive, okay? It will go in your subconscious mind and it will only get manifested, okay? Whatever you read in the tarot, if you believe that, it happens. So do not, go for anything negative. You can write, you can work upon, be cautious. These are all I feel is positive. You can take actions, okay? In some things you have to take actions. These are kind of things. You do not have to write that today your day will be very bad. No, you do not have to go for that negativity straight away. So I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.